Today we are in Amsterdam, where we'll be staying in one of the most unique hotel rooms in the world, where there is a jumbo jet inside your room. We're going to check out the room, and of course we're going to check out the food. So let's go. So we have now landed in Amsterdam. It's time to go check in, and the lobby is actually really nice in this hotel. It's very well decorated, but they do have free Starbucks, which I'm quite surprised, and they also have a 24/7 shop which have drinks, chocolates and souvenirs. I'm actually really surprised with this hotel. Our room is not actually ready yet, so the man has been kind enough to give us a voucher which we can take to the bar, which the bar in here is actually really nice, by the way, and it's a restaurant too. You get free drinks because of our room is not ready. I don't know if that's because we're staying in the suite or if that's just what they do here, but the beer's good. So we're getting our own personal escort to our room. Very fancy. All right, let's go inside. It's even called the cockpit suite. Let's go. Oh, look at this.
An aeroplane.
Okay, are you ready? Because I don't even know where to begin with this, because it is honestly, I've just had a quick look around, and this is by far the best hotel. I can't even speak. It's the best hotel room I've ever stayed in. Come on, let's go. First things first, you have a toilet. This is one of 3 toilets in this whole entire suite. I don't know why you're gonna need 3 toilets, but there's 3 toilets in here. Tissues that look like a flower, towels, a circle mirror, and some hand soap. But you don't wanna see that. You've not watched this video to see the toilets. But look, it's a Boeing 737. But before I show you that, there's another toilet. Come down here. Another toilet, it's identical. This is what we're looking here for. Look at the size of this. This is in a hotel room. Look at the size of it. That is honestly crazy. And the thing is, I thought it'd be a fake plane, and it's not. It's actually a real plane. Wait there, look. Watch that light. All right, watch that light on the side. It doesn't work. Now I've sorted that out, we're gonna move over here to the lip sofa. It looks like a pair of lips on your mouth.
Thanks for clarifying.
Yeah, no, I just had to make sure people were aware that I'm talking about lips on the mouth. But here, nice little Japanese, Chinese pillow. But this, it gets even better. Nice little diffuser. It stinks, but it smells all right. How do you turn the light on in here? I don't know where the light is for in here. Is it here? Don't know. But in here, let's follow me. Look at that. A proper coffee machine. Not the little cheap ones you get. I mean a proper Philips, like Philips is a good brand. I don't know if Philips is a good brand. I don't have a coffee machine, don't drink coffee. So if that's a good one, let me know in the comments, because that there, might have to just take it in my suitcase downstairs. Kettle, and in here is just a load of cups and glasses. And then in here is some glasses, oh, it's crystal glasses. See, what's in here? Dishwasher tablets. There's a dishwasher. Don't tell me there's a dishwasher in here. There's a dishwasher in the suite. What is going on? Why do you need a dishwasher though? And there's, of course, there is a fridge with some Fanta, Coke, Sprite, Heineken, water, and milk. All complimentary, by the way. So you can drink to them to your heart's content, but you do have to pay for the second fills. Over here is the aircon unit, but it's also electric blinds. Follow me, we're gonna go to the other side of the plane. I still can't believe that's in the middle of the room. Look at it. It's so cool. Right, you've got to go around this way because you can't go through the plane to the other side. And then here is basically your hallway. And then here is an entrance into the plane if you want to go through into that way. But again, I'm going to show you the plane after. Over here, we have a nice big wardrobe with 2 red umbrellas hanging there. That just threw me off guard, the 2 umbrellas, but as you do. Moving over this way. What's inside here? Should we find out what's inside here?
A toilet.
It's a 3rd toilet. It's exactly the same toilet as all the others. There's 3 toilets in here. I'm not sure why you need 3 toilets, but you do. You need 3 toilets in here. And this is the bedroom. Look at the size of this bedroom here. It's actually, it's a big room though. It's a super king bed, but the thing is it comfortable? Oh my God, it's amazing. It's actually really good, although it could be because I've just driven a long time and I am actually knackered, but it's actually a nice bed. Nice big super king bed. But over here we have a nice little office area to do all your officey things. A lamp, some talkies. Like you say talkies to your dog. Do talkies? No, yeah, but yeah, no, you do talkies? Or do, I don't know what I'm on about. Yeah, basically some books, a phone, another big TV. There we go, I found it in the end. It's just a cupboard with nothing in it. I feel like an idiot doing that, there's nothing there. What's on this one? Oh, there's another fridge in here with some bottles of water in it. Over this way, we have another little seating area. We're gonna go down this way. I've not been down here, so I don't actually know what's here, but the only thing I've not seen is a shower, so I'm assuming the shower's down this way. But we have another nice big wardrobe in here. You get an ironing board, dressing gowns, you get an iron, you get a safe, you get a shoe shine, a shower cap, a sewing kit, a ladies set. What's the ladies set? Oh, okay, I guess, sorry, Chloe's giving me that look. Ladies set, a shaving kit, a dental kit, a hair comb, some earplugs. Why the hell do you need earplugs?
In case the airplane takes off.
No, they don't know why you need earplugs. Everybody knows why you need earplugs in a hotel. And also, you get a Bible and a Book of Mormon.
A Book of Mormon?
Yeah, I don't know what Book of Mormon is. I'm not religious. Another Testament of Jesus Christ. Slippers. Although that one's a bit dirty. I don't really want that one. And then in here is some laundry bags. And over here is a small little vanity unit. Please tell me that's right. There's a vanity desk. Does do your makeup with the tiniest little mirror that you could possibly have, but you can. Doesn't work. It doesn't work. Let's move on. Over here is, although the corridor's a bit narrow, being a bit picky now, aren't I? In here is the bathroom. Oh, it's quite big in here, to be fair. There's no toilet in here, no, but there is a very large bath. Look at the size of this bath. I'm gonna bury myself in this bath. Look at this. Oh, it's even got armrests. I like this bath. Do you like this bath? Yeah? You do get shampoo, conditioner and body wash as standard as you get in every hotel room you ever visit. Water, cup, some more lotion stuff, a mirror, and what's this do? Why is there a timer on the wall? I don't know why there's a timer on the wall, but there's a timer on the wall. If anyone knows why they have timers on the wall, let me know in the comments, but I've just turned it and it's ticking away. Nice big shower in here with basically shower shampoo again. Let's go see the plane. Let's go to the plane. I still can't believe, look at the size of the plane. Although it does say, please leave this door open. Do you think I could just like try and move it? Yeah, no, I can't be a rebel. I don't want to get in trouble. Can you take these off? No, you can't. I think it's to stop people falling out.
Steps there, is there?
No, in case you fall out, because probably Chloe will be the one that falls out. Hello, ticket please.
Ticket please.
What's your seat number? Just to the left, please. This is basically, I'm going to show you, like on here. Look at this.
Come on, go to the back and sit down.
This is like, I don't even have words.
Crazy.
It's crazy. You could also sleep 5 small people in the plane. It does have a projector, because if you come back this way,
if you need any assistance,
you use this remote here,
thank you for
and it
choosing our
basically
hotel.
brings the
Have a
projector down.
Fantastic time.
So a lady did give us this when we checked in. So this is basically HDMI ports and wires and all that basically connects to this up behind you, the projector, and it can project whatever you want to project onto the screen, which I think is a good little touch. But for now, I'm going to leave that there. Do these trolley bins come out? Oh my God, they come out. Oh my gosh. I've always wanted to push one of these as well.
Has it got any? Oh my God.
Is it sad that I've always had like, maybe I just wanted just to go down. You know what, actually?
Anything from the trolley?
Hello, miss. Would you like anything from the trolley?
Yes,
I've lived the dream there. Sad dream, isn't it? I don't even like planes. Let's go into the cockpit.
I've never been in the cockpit.
Neither have I.
I have no name.
Oh my God. Does the pilot sit on the left or the right? This feels weird. Oh my God, it feels weird. And the thing is, look, if you look down there, you can't even see anything. It looks like you're in the sky. Oh my God, that's so, and it moved. Look, the handles move and everything.
Did the buttons work?
I don't know, let's find out. Nah, they don't work. Of course they don't work.
No, not literally work. I mean, like, yeah, you can. Look, you can press and turn.
I know you can turn all the buttons, but like,
Oh, wait, let go. Look, these lights.
Oh, wait, what's that?
Turn on and off there. I don't know what it was.
that's the weird. I don't even know. There's so many buttons to look at. This is so cool. Like, I'm not even. She's probably having a whale of a time right now. Because if I was a kid, I'd be in my element.
Who love aeroplanes? This is like.
I'm not even a kid, and I don't like aeroplanes, but I'm having a great time. Honestly, this suite is the best suite we've stayed in anywhere. Now you can get breakfast delivered to the room, which I think I might do just because we have a dining table. We might as well make the most of the room because we're only here for one night, and I don't really want to go downstairs, especially when I have this big giant plane behind me, which I'll probably eat my breakfast in tomorrow. So yeah, I'm going to do the breakfast and bring it to the room. But with that, I think we are going to go downstairs and have some dinner in the dine-in downstairs because I am hungry. So let's go. So the menu here is African Caribbean. So you got some starters, which is like plantain, stuff to share. You can have raw stuff. I've never seen anything but raw. although sea bass raw, it's like sushi, I guess. Veggies, fish, meat on the side, and of course, dessert. Also, you can get these bites, which I think we're gonna do. I think we maybe get like 4 of them from here, just because we're not that hungry. So I think we're gonna go with a couple of these selections of bites and just share them along the table. And here is our food. So first of all is the plantain chips we went with. Went with the meatballs, the chicken bites, some normal French fries, some sweet corn covered in a load of sauce. I don't know what that is. And that is beef croquettes. And with that, food is now finished, and I have to say, that cost 56 euros, which was not bad. It's not great, it's not like, it's probably the mid-range price. It's not budget, it's not super expensive. It was basically what you paid for. So I would give that food a good solid 4 out of 5. It would have been 5 out of 5 if it was a little bit cheaper, but we are back in the room with the famous plane, and we are gonna chill out for the rest of the night. We're gonna watch a movie, and then we'll pick this up in the morning where we will have breakfast, because everybody is gonna have breakfast when they come here. They don't really go for dinner downstairs. Everybody has breakfast, because I think they're all included in your room rate. So everyone's gonna have breakfast, and I'm gonna have it inside the plane. So see you in the morning. Good morning. So I slept like an absolute baby. I did not wake up once. I hit that pillow and I woke up the next morning, and that is very rare for me, because normally I am woken up by Athena during the night, and the bed was that big, didn't even feel her in it. And there's no one above you, there's no one to the side, to the other side, so there was no noise in this room at all. It was so quiet, so peaceful. It was honestly the best night's sleep I've had. But now our food has arrived to our bedroom. So I paid an additional €7.50 to get room service to the room. I'm not gonna eat it in the plane because there's a lot of food on that tray. We have got loads of fruits, we've got pastries, we've got cereals, we've got bacon, sausages, loads of drinks, and we've got so many eggs. We've got 4 different types of eggs. So let's go eat all the egg. So we have now finished our stay here at the, I don't even know how to say the hotel's name.
Comrade.
And I'm gonna have to say this is probably the best hotel room I've stayed in anywhere in the world, and we've stayed in a lot.
It's the most uniquest hotel room.
Yeah, there's a bloody jumbo jet plane inside your room, and the room itself, the suite, is huge. You have a kitchen, you have everything you need inside.
You could easily stay here for like a week if you wanted to explore. You have like everything here.
Easy. And the cost of this suite per night is £235 for one night, which for the size of it and what you get inside, I think is incredible. The showers were great, the
you
food.
get free toilets.
Why do you need free toilets though? I don't get that. There's only 2 beds, so you can only really sleep 2 people in here, plus I think 1 under 3, because if she's in here. I think if you're 3 or under, you can stay here, but if you've got 3 of you, 3 adults, you can't stay here because there's no other bed.
I could sleep in the airplane.
Oh, you could. They do recline. So yeah, the overall experience is you're basically paying for the big jumbo jet inside, and Amsterdam is about, what, 15 minutes away?
Oh, there's only one of these suites here, so there's only 1 room with the airplane in it.
Yes,
so
it gets booked up so fast. It was literally last minute to book this. Like, I booked this like 5 days ago because it could become available. It's booked up for the next 4.5, 5 months because there's only 1 of them, and there is only 1 of these in the world from what I can see inside a bedroom, unless we decide to do a business venture and create them ourselves. Okay, we're not. So yeah, that is the end of it, and I'm gonna go as far as to say I'm gonna give this a 5 out of 5.
I'll say 4 out of 5.
Why 4?
I don't think there's a lot to do in the hotel apart from this.
But you're not here for the hotel, you're here for the suite and Amsterdam.
Based off just a room, then 5 out of 5. But if you're going to the hotel as an overall.
So yeah, I give it a 5, you give it a 4. So make sure you, actually, you know what? Let me know in the comments if you stayed here before, because I want to know how they got this bloody thing in here.
What, a crane, I'm assuming?
I know that, I didn't fly in here, did it?
Very well driven.
So yeah, let me know in the comments if you would like to stay here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, because we have loads more unique hotels coming up, because we are on a mission to find some of the most unique hotels in the world.
We might have started off with the most uniquest.
Yeah, we probably
completed it already.
No, we haven't. There's loads of unique ones that are more unique than this. So yeah, bye from me.
See you soon.